for giraffe, reaching high. H is for hippo, splashing by. I is for iguana, sunbathing bright. J is for jaguar with spots so tight. K is for kangaroo, hopping with glee. L is for lion, the king you'll see. M is for monkey, swinging from trees. N is for narwhal, swimming with ease. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, waddling in delight. Q is for quail, quick on the ground. R is for rhino, strong and round. S is for snake, slithering so sly. T is for turtle, slow but spry. U is for urchin, spiky and small. V is for vulture, soaring tall. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for x-ray fish, in the ocean too. Y is for yak, with fluffy hair. Z is for zebra, striped with care. ABC, come sing with me. Learning animals is so much fun, you'll see. From A to Z, we'll sing and play with all our animal friends today.